Best social media management tools. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's explore them one by one. So first one is ManyChats. It is quite helpful for the small businesses or the big businesses out there. It helps you with the chats on any platform. You can automate all the chats quite easily and you can also get it started for free. And the second platform is Opus Plus or the Opus Clip. Here you can repurpose all the content out there quite easily, and it is quite good at repurposing the content, adding the captions, b-rolls and all other stuff. So you should check it out and see how it works for you. The third tool is Adobe Express. If you have been using Canva, then you can switch up to Adobe Express. It is quite useful. Moreover, you can add captions to your videos quite easily on Adobe Express. And there are some other factors as well, like you get a huge library to choose your content from, and you can utilize all these tools and items that you are getting with the Adobe Express. So you can check this out as well. So I hope this short tutorial was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.